Assalamualaikum student. Today we will continue our chapter which is provinces of Pakistan and their culture. On our previous video we have learned more about in detail Punjab and Sindh provinces and their culture, their tradition, their way of life, their national games, their national food. All we had discussed on our previous video of day 1. Now we will start the other two provinces of Pakistan, which is Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. We will discuss in detail both the provinces of Pakistan in this video, so you have to continue this video. Thank you. Now today we will discuss about the province Balochistan. Balochistan is the largest province area के लिहाज से, but the smallest province in terms of population. More than 5% of the total population of Pakistan live in Balochistan. Important seaport which is Gwadar Port that also located in this province. The province Balochistan is rich in mineral resources as well as oil and gas. बलोचिस्तान में जिन मिनरल्स के ज़खायर मौजूद हैं वो हैं गोल्ड, कोल, कॉपर, सिल्वर, aluminium, uranium. These all are the mineral resources that are available in Balochistan. And the important cities of Balochistan are Quetta, Khuzdar, Turbat and Chaman. These all are the important cities of Balochistan. और जो बलूचिस्तान का कैपिटल है वो है कोयटा. बलूचिस्तान में जो लैंग्वेज ज़्यादातर बोली जाती है वो है बलोची, Pashto and Burehvi. These are the languages that are spoken by the peoples of Balochistan. Now जहाँ तक उनकी ड्रेसिंग की बात है तो men's wear शलवार कमीज. The shalwar is very baggy which is using large length of cloth. Women's wear loose dresses. The dress are embroidered in local design which include Balochi silk, thread, chain stitch, embroidery etc. और जहाँ तक बलूचिस्तान के खानों की बात है तो सज्जी इज़ अ नेटिव डिश ऑफ बलूचिस्तान. सज्जी क्या है? सज्जी में ये होल लैम्प और चिकन को रोस्ट करते हैं. किसके साथ? कोल के साथ, कोयले में. एंड इट इज़ सर्व विथ राइस. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द प्रोविंस ऑफ खैबर पख्तूनख्वा. Now we will discuss about the last province which is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is in the northernmost province of Pakistan. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa में बहुत से mountain ranges, plains and hills मौजूद हैं. The fertile valley of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa are Swat, Kagan, Chitral, Dir and Peshawar. They are also known for the fruit orchards of apples, melons, peaches and pear of cultivation. The majority peoples who live in this province are known as Pathan. Pashto is mainly spoken in this province and the capital of this province is Peshawar. And the major cities of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa are Peshawar, Mardan, Mingora, कोहाट एंड एबटाबाद. और जहाँ तक खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के खानों की बात है तो कबूली पुलाव एंड चपली कबाब्स आर द फेवरेट डिशेस ऑफ द पीपल्स ऑफ दिस प्रोविंस. So now in this video and the video of day 1 we learned all the provinces, 4 provinces of Pakistan about their tradition, their culture, their food and their way of life. We discussed all the thing in detail. And on page number 33 here we end our chapter. We will continue videos on our new chapter with our new chapters. Thank you.